Hello everyone, today I will tell you about a tool that will make your business faster and easier, and this is WhatsApp Marketing Official API software. In this video, I will provide you with a short overview of both the admin panel and the user panel. When you click on the companies option, you can check the details of all users. From here, you can deactivate them or delete their accounts. When you click on the landing page option, you can modify the content of features, testimonial, FAQs, and main features. When you click on the pricing plan option, you can create multiple plans of different types from here. Now I will show you the user panel. This is our user panel. In user panel, you will get all the details and all the shortcut keys from here. At first, you have to connect to your API. For that, you have to click on Cloud API Setup. Then you have to follow these steps. Like how to connect your callback URL verify token, then how to generate your permanent access token. Every details has been mentioned here. You have to just follow those steps, then you can connect your API. Then when you will connect your API, then your account will activate, and then you can use this panel. At first, you can see contacts option. From contacts option, you can upload your contact. Suppose if you have contacts in Excel file, then you have to convert that Excel file into CSV, then you can upload it from here. Otherwise, if you want to upload your contacts in manually, then you can also do it from here. Just click on add new contact option, then you can import any contacts from here. After that, you can see templates option. When you click on templates, then you can create any template from here. You have to give just a template name, template category like marketing or utility, then you have to select its language. After that, if you want to send messages with media file, then you can select any media file from here, like this one. In body option, you can type your messages. If you want to add any quick reply option, then you can add it from here. And suppose if you want to add call to action, then you can select it from here. After creating a template, you have to save it from here. Within a second, your template will be approved by Meta. Then if you want to send a campaign, then you should click on campaign option, then click on send new campaign option. You have to give campaign name, then you have to select your approved templates, then you have to select your contacts. Here you will get schedule send time option. Suppose if you want to schedule this campaign, then you have to select the date and time from here. And if you want to send it right now, then click on this option, then click on apply. Then you will get a preview of your messages, then click on send caption option, then your campaign will be shoot. After shooting any campaign, you can see those live chat from chat option. Like if you click on here, then you can see all live chat from here, and you can give reply. And suppose if you want to give any documents, suppose if you want to send any documents, then you can select from here image or file, you can select it from here. And also you can select quick replies also. In this platform, you will get agents option. You can create an agent who will be manage your chat in behalf of you. For that, just click on add new agent option and put their name, put their email ID, and create one password. Then click on insert option. Then your agent person will log in on behalf of you. Then he can access these chats, and from you can and also you assign agent from here. Like just click on this option, not assigned option, and then you can select any agent, and then he can manage this chat on behalf of you. Here you will get a bots option. From bots option, you can create a template bot. Go to template bot, then you can create a template bot from here. When you click on API option, you will get API info from here. Suppose if you want to integrate this software with your website or ERP or any third-party application, then you can use this API token, then you can integrate with them. This was a short demo video, so only an overview was provided in this video. Thank you.